DevOps is about a culture. Some people say it's a culture. So what does that mean in practice?
So I think of a DevOps culture. So a culture is basically a group of people or an organization who are of the same mindset and understanding of how to get to a common goal.
Yeah.
So with regards to software development, the goal is to release software, to improve software, and to deliver value for the end user or whatever it may be. So when you reflect upon when you had the development teams and the operation teams and how they would just be flinging software over the fence and flinging it back, and no one's particularly accountable for anything like that. There's no real ownership of anything. That culture or anti-culture doesn't lead towards delivering value for the end user. It doesn't lead towards innovation.
Yep.
It just wastes time, wastes money, and it's not very pleasant environment to work within either.
Yeah. Okay. So does that mean that we don't need operations teams anymore?
Yes and no. So kind of back to the job role thing.
Yeah.
We do have operations, but operations has shifted very heavily in its meaning since the cloud bubble, right?
Okay.
So since cloud took off. So I would have said that, and most of the teams I worked in, we called them infrastructure teams or simply IT.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the kind of operations, working on kind of shared systems across the business. Could be anything really. But now we've really moved towards the cloud. So A, hosting our own infrastructure in the cloud.
Yeah.
And B, all of the systems that we use now are, or most of them are SaaS. They're software as a service. They're products we buy that are also hosted on the cloud. We don't need to host them ourselves, but it's on the cloud. So the majority of the systems that IT would juggle previously might be installed on servers and all that kind of stuff. But now, effectively everything's in the cloud, unless you're got some kind of regulatory reason or cost reasons or whatever it may be.
Yeah.
So operations has shifted in itself towards what people now call DevOps engineers.
Okay.
So a lot of DevOps engineers roles will be write infrastructure as code, which we can get into.